What is up, guys? Welcome back to the BT Cars. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going back and doing another ride-along, two ride-alongs. We're riding in an 850 horsepower Dodge Viper with nitrous, with NOS. And we were riding in We Ride the Dodge Viper. We talked about it in the last video. We're doing it. So, if you haven't seen his channel, link below. So, I cannot wait to ride in this, guys. It's going to be so sick. So, if you haven't seen the last ride-along, click the link below as well. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, we thank you guys so much for the support. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Seriously, it's a dream come true. I cannot wait to hit that. So, share this video with all your friends. Let's get us to 1,000 subscribers. I cannot wait, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Comment down below. Winter is coming. So, comment down below what video ideas you'd like to see. So, let's get right into the video. Okay. Alright, we are riding in. They're roughly around 900 horsepower Dodge Viper. It's got the nitrous and everything, guys.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's do it, guys. Alright. Uh-oh.
Moment of truth.
Not you again.
Beautiful day here. Thanks for sticking by us through 45 videos.
That thing just wanted to go, dude. It never wanted to stop, yes.
Is it insane?
Yeah, that was insane. Flames! Oh my god. The Viper madness, guys. That sounds so good.
Watch this fire, guys, coming out of the pipes.
Go subscribe to his channel, link below.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
How was the C7? How was the ride in that?
That was sick.
Yeah?
Alright, here we go. Dodge Viper. Alright, whew. Yes. Yeah, this is properly sick, dude.
Ah, that's nice. I like it. What was your name again?
Tom.
Tom. Tom, and your dad was?
Bobby.
Bobby and Tom.
Cars.
BT
Yep.
Cars.
Yep.
Love it.
Yeah, this thing's sick. Oh yeah, C7 Corvette. Oh. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, yep.
Okay.
Ready. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's sick. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, dude. Dude, that's insane. That's insane. It's hard how to get the guts on. That is insane. What an experience. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, that's sick, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Careful, don't burn your leg on the exhaust,
yeah.
too. Right there.
Yep. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, no
Yep,
problem.
go subscribe to him, guys. We ride. Yep. Yeah, come here. Oh, look at this thing.
Why don't you do both of those? You're
Should
gonna
I?
ride in both.
Okay.
Yep.
That's so
No
sick.
magnet.
Actually, we ride Dodge Viper, 2015 Dodge Viper right here. Oh my god. We ride, yep. Comes stock with around 640 horsepower. Oh yeah, carbon fiber up here, everywhere. Oh.
I was very surprised because the car was in Minnesota when I found it. Yeah. The pictures that he sent me, the lighting.
So it's a 97. This was one of the first years that they did the blue and white. So yours a 97 too, right? Yeah. So that's like this iconic color with green and white like this. They never made it in this style. So that's kind of good.
Oh yeah, here is the NOS. That's ridiculous.
Oh no, I know it's in there.
So that adds about 200 more. So with the supercharger, it's at about 700, and then with nitrous, it's about 900.
That exhaust.
Loud grill. It's a Borla exhaust. Yeah.
Now you won't want to get out of it.
Nope, I'll never get out. Got the nice nitrous right here. Here, let me show you.
Yes. Don't touch anything.
Oh yeah. Dodge Viper, American Muscle. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nitrous, full carbon fiber. And look, the boost. Right there, for the nitrous. Oh, thing is insane. That's ridiculous, guys. I'm never gonna want to get out now. Oh yeah. 6-speed manual transmission. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely insane, guys.
Other GTRs are this way.
That's nuts, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Also, comment down below what more video ideas you'd like to see coming to the BT Cars. Also, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. There might involve a Back to the Future DeLorean. I cannot wait. So, hope you guys have a great day.
Thanks, guys.
Yes, thank
Enjoy
you guys
it.
so much. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.
Peace.